curious about how to effectively manage an online store with Magento 2? The Magento 2 Admin Demo Store might just be the tool you need. It allows you to dive into the platform's features and functionality without needing to install anything on your server. Want to know how to use the Magento 2 Admin Demo? Let's understand that. Start by accessing the demo website through the official Magento site or an authorized partner. Once there, you'll get a full view of your store's key stats on the admin dashboard. You'll see everything from lifetime sales to best-selling products. This is where you can manage orders, products, and customers just like in a live store, but with the freedom to experiment. Next, let's walk through navigating the Magento 2 Admin Demo. Managing sales is straightforward with Magento 2. The demo store provides tools for handling orders, invoices, and shipments. You can view the entire order process, generate shipping labels, and even track shipments. It's a great way to see how Magento 2 can streamline your sales management. Now, let's look at catalog management. The demo store makes it easy to organize your products. You can create logical category structures, edit product details, and upload images. There's also the option to create product attributes, giving your customers more choices. This flexibility in catalog management can make a significant impact on how customers interact with your store. Finally, let's explore the reporting and analytics tools. Understanding your store's performance is crucial, and Magento 2 offers detailed reports to help with that. From sales and customer reports to product performance and inventory forecasting, these tools give you the insights needed to make informed decisions about your business. We hope you found this walkthrough of the Magento 2 Admin Demo Store helpful. If you're interested in more tips and tutorials, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel.